Driving in adverse weather for novice drivers, your first storm. That new license, the jingle of car keys, it's pure freedom, isn't it? But what happens when that freedom slams headfirst into a raging storm? Did you know that weather is a factor in nearly 1 out of every 4 crashes? For a new driver, those odds can feel pretty daunting. This isn't just about a bit of rain, it's about facing your first real test on the road.
The numbers are staggering. In the U.S. alone, weather-related crashes make up about 21% of all vehicle accidents annually. That's over 1.2 million crashes where the environment played a key part. These aren't minor bumps. They lead to nearly 5,000 deaths and over 418,000 injuries each year. Think it's all blizzards and ice? While winter is dangerous, accounting for over 1,300 deaths, here's the shocker. A massive 70 to 75% of weather-related crashes happen on wet pavement, and almost half occur during actual rainfall. Rain, the everyday weather we barely think twice about, is the most common partner in disaster.
So why does a little rain or fog lead to awful outcomes? It's a mix of driver overconfidence and underestimating how weather changes driving physics. First, reduced visibility. Heavy rain, fog, or snow can slash your sight distance in seconds. Lane markings vanish, other cars become ghosts. Fog contributes to over 600 deaths annually. This strain leads to less concentration. Then, there's the hit to your vehicle's performance. The biggest factor is loss of traction. Water, ice, and snow lubricate the road. Rain mixes with oil, creating a slick film. This leads to hydroplaning, your tires surfing on water, losing all contact. Steering and braking become useless. On snow or ice, stopping distances can increase up to 10 times. The car just doesn't respond as you expect.
Riding out the storm, crucial driving adaptations that can save your life. Understanding the danger is step 1. Here's what you can do.
The golden rule: slow down and increase your following distance. This is vital. Speed limits are for perfect conditions. Cut your speed by at least a third on wet roads and by half or more on snow or ice. Massively increase your following distance. Double or triple the usual 3-second rule. This gives you the stopping distance you will need.
See and be seen. Master your visibility. If your wipers are on, headlights should be on. Low beams in rain, fog, or snow, even during the day. Before driving, clear all windows, mirrors, and lights. Actively scan further down the road.
Smoothness is safety. Avoid sudden movements. Brake early and gently. Accelerate gradually. Steer delicately. If you skid, stay calm. For a front-wheel skid, ease off the gas and gently reduce steering. For a rear-wheel skid, steer gently into the skid. Look where you want to go. Avoid slamming the brakes.
Vehicle preparedness, your first line of defense. Ensure your tires have good tread and are properly inflated. Worn tires hydroplane easily. Consider winter tires if you face regular snow and ice. Check your wiper blades and keep washer fluid full.
The ultimate adaptation: know when not to drive. If the weather is severe or you don't feel confident, postpone your trip if possible. No errand is worth your life. Check the forecast and be ready to change plans.
The power to reduce these tragedies lies with us. If this was helpful, please like this video so more drivers see it. Share it with family and friends. In the comments, share your weather-related driving experience or a useful tip. Subscribe for more road safety content.